Welcome to my quick review on slope-intercept form. So here we are asked to graph y equals 1/3 x minus 2. So recall that our slope-intercept, this equation here is written in slope-intercept form, and that is y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope, and here our m is 1/3. So the slope is 1/3. And our b here represents the y-intercept. So our b here is -2. Now, recall the y-intercept occurs when the x is 0. So if I plugged in 0 into this equation, the y value would be -2. So we call that the y-intercept. So recall when we're graphing, we make a dot at the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is -2. So we're going to put a dot right here. And the slope is 1/3. So remember, we do rise over run. And another way of looking at this as well is change in y over change in x. So here, since our slope is 1/3, our rise is 1 and our run is 3. So I can go up 1 over 3 because we have a positive slope, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. Now, I can also go in the negative direction. And when I go in the negative direction, since we have a positive slope, then they both have to be negatives because 2 negatives makes a positive. So I can go down 1 over 3, down 1 over 3. And then I connect my points. Like this. And remember, it's a graph of a line, so I need arrows on the end. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more example, and this time our slope is going to be negative. So I'm going to ask this time that we graph -2x minus 1. And this is, once again, called slope-intercept form. So what is our slope here? -2. And what is our y-intercept? Good, -1. So we're going to put our first point at -1 because that's the y-intercept. That's where it crosses the y-axis. And our slope is -2. Now notice we only have a rise here but not a run. So remember what we learned. We can put a 1 underneath if there's no run. So now our rise is -2. Our run is 1. Now remember, since our slope is negative, only one of them can be negative. So since our rise is -2, I'll go down first. So down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Now, I can also have a positive rise, but then my run needs to be negative because it's a negative slope. So up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And now I connect my points to make a line. And remember, we have arrows on the end to show that it goes on and on forever. Okay, that concludes our quick review on slope-intercept form. Hope you have a great day.